Start with 1 cup of black chickpeas. We will first rinse them well in plenty of water because chickpeas usually have a bit of dirt or dust on them and they can make them taste slightly bitter. So it's better to clean them thoroughly before cooking. Gently rub them between your hands just like this. Once all the chickpeas are rubbed clean, drain out this water. Now we will soak them in about 6 to 7 cups of water. Add enough water to cover them completely. Then cover the pressure cooker and leave it overnight. You can see these chickpeas are well soaked now. If you forget to soak them overnight, you can soak them in warm water for around 3 to 4 hours. Drain that water completely and now add 3 cups of fresh water. We will also add a few whole spices for flavor. 1 bay leaf, 1 black cardamom, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 teaspoon salt and a few drops of oil. Place the pressure cooker on high heat for about 15 minutes. Chickpeas usually cook in around 8 whistles, so adjust the timing according to your cooker. After about 15 minutes, remove it from the heat and now let's prepare the ingredients for masala. Take 1 onion and finely chop it. Finely chopped onions cook faster. Next, we will take 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 2 tomatoes and a small piece of ginger. I am also adding 1 green chili for a bit of spice, but you can adjust that to your taste. We are going to make a tomato puree with all these ingredients, but before that, here is a secret trick for this recipe. Usually the gravy for black chickpeas turn out quite watery. To fix that, we will blend in a few boiled chickpeas with the puree. This helps thicken the base and makes the gravy rich and flavorful. Just make sure to add enough chickpeas before blending. Now blend everything into a smooth puree. If it feels too thick, add a few drops of water. You can see my puree is perfectly ready, so let's start cooking. Heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan and wait until it's hot. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and then chopped onions. We will saute these onions for about 10 minutes until they are deep golden brown. If at any stage the onion gets too dry, sprinkle a little water and keep cooking. After about 10 to 12 minutes, you will notice the onions start changing color. Once you reach this stage, we will add a few spices. Add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder and half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Also add a few drops of water so the spices don't burn. These two will give our curry a beautiful color. Now add the tomato puree. Pour out everything from the blender jar and rinse it with a little water to get all those flavors out. Cook this with the onions for about 5 to 7 minutes. We want to cook it until most of the water evaporates. You will notice the puree start bubbling and splattering, so be careful, it can burn your hands. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and cover the pan. Let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, checking every few minutes. Keep it covered for most of the time. After about 7 to 8 minutes, you can see the mixture has thickened and dried a bit. That's the perfect time to add next set of spices. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon red chili powder, which is optional and adjust to your taste, 1 teaspoon garam masala and 1 teaspoon crushed fenugreek leaves. Add a splash of water again so the spices don't burn and mix everything really well. After about 2 minutes of cooking, when the spices are nicely combined, add the boiled chickpeas. Now mix everything together so the masala coats the chickpeas evenly. Chickpeas are full of protein and super easy to make. I have shared other chickpeas recipes too, but for this one, we are making a delicious chickpea curry. So we will add plenty of water now. Add about 3 to 4 cups of water depending on how thick you like your curry. Stir everything together and let it come to a boil. To make it faster, cover the pan and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, the curry will be almost ready. Taste it now and adjust the salt or spice if needed. Then cover it again and let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. After about 10 minutes in total, the curry is fully cooked. You will see the oil separating on the top. That's the sign it's done. Garnish with fresh cilantro and your black chickpea curry is ready to be served. Check out more Indian recipes on my channel and I will see you around in another video.